Hello, you lovely people. Today we're going to get stuck into something absolutely gorgeous. We're talking about food that's not just delicious, but proper good for you too. In our busy lives, it's so easy to grab something quick that doesn't do us any favors. But I'm here to tell you that you can whip up a stunning high-protein meal in no time at all. Protein is a real powerhouse, you see. It helps our bodies build and repair, keeps us feeling full and satisfied. We're going to make not one, but two incredible fish dinners. On one side, we have a beautiful, flaky sea bass, simply cooked to perfection. And on the other, a glorious piece of salmon with a wicked miso sauce that'll blow your socks off. Both are packed with those amazing omega-3 fatty acids, which are brilliant for your brain and heart. First up, the stars of the show, the fish. You'll need two beautiful salmon fillets, about 150 grams each, skin on. Look for salmon that's a lovely deep pink color and smells fresh like the sea. The sea bass should be firm and pearly white. Next up, our gorgeous veg. We need about 500 grams of potatoes for our mash, a lovely bunch of fresh asparagus, and a good handful of wild mushrooms. For our wicked miso sauce, you'll need white miso paste, soy sauce, honey, and rice vinegar. This sauce is an absolute game changer for the salmon. Let's get our hands dirty. Give your potatoes a good wash, then chop them into even-sized chunks. Pop them into a pot of cold salted water and get them on the hob. Take your asparagus and snap off the woody ends. For the mushrooms, just give them a gentle wipe with a damp cloth. Pat the fish fillets dry and season both sides generously with salt and pepper. Don't be shy with the seasoning. In a small bowl, whisk together the miso paste, soy sauce, honey and rice vinegar until it's smooth. This stuff is liquid gold. Let's get a couple of non-stick frying pans on a medium-high heat. Add a good lug of olive oil to each one. Your potatoes should be done. Drain them, add butter, milk, salt and pepper, and give it all a good bash until it's smooth and creamy. Carefully place the sea bass and salmon fillets skin side down in the hot pans. You should hear a lovely sizzle. Press down gently to stop the skin from curling up. In the last minute of cooking, spoon that gorgeous miso sauce over the salmon. It will start to caramelize and smell absolutely divine. Flip the sea bass and add the asparagus and garlic. Chuck your wild mushrooms into the salmon pan. Everything is cooking, everything is sizzling. Grab a couple of warm plates, take a generous spoonful of that creamy mashed potato and create a lovely bed for our fish. On one plate, carefully place the sea bass fillet on top of the mash. Arrange the vibrant green asparagus spears next to it, glistening with garlic-infused oil. For the second plate, take that glorious sticky miso salmon and place it proudly on its bed of mash. Spoon those gorgeous wild mushrooms around it. There you have it. Two restaurant-quality dishes looking absolutely stunning and ready to be devoured. You've smashed it. Two incredibly healthy high-protein meals that are bursting with flavor and goodness. This is food that nourishes your body and soul. I really hope you give these recipes a go. Get in the kitchen, have fun with it, and share it with people you love. Good food is all about sharing. Lovely jubbly.